was Superman, but now it's all of them. It's Batman, Spider-Man, who knows, it might even be Banana Man next. So I have Banana Man running around on the TV and everyone will be worshipping a frigging banana. Okay everyone, I just got back from work. It is day 7 of the fast where I'm breaking it in the evenings. And day 1, I think, of the 40 days and 40 nights coming up. I think I'm going to make this day 1. Yeah, from here, I'm going there. Whew, yeah. I'll keep you updated, but it looks promising. Vitamins. It's going to be sad to let them go for 40 days and 40 nights, but that is what I'm going to do. I feel like it would be cheating again if I kept taking my vitamins. Anger. You will get angry. Going without food can make you quite angry. I mean, you may have been through this when you're not doing a fast. If you don't get to eat, people tend to get angry. I noticed somebody on one of my videos said that he's just started a dry fast. From watching my videos, he's gone into it. Well done for making that move and yeah, being inspired to start fasting after watching my video. But although I'm doing videos and I'm telling people that I'm starting this fast, try not to tell anyone, okay? You will be treated differently. They'll treat you like some kind of freak and they'll make the fast worse, okay? Yeah, they will make it difficult for you. You need to keep quiet about when you're fasting, especially to people who are non-Christians, alright? Because they will make it hard for you. And they'll treat you as if you're weak. And because you are physically weaker, they'll exploit you, exploit your weakness, okay? So don't tell anyone you're doing this, okay? It's best that they don't know. There may be some scripture for this. Yeah, I'll find that scripture. Actually, there is some scripture about not looking so depressed when you fast, you know, like you're showing off the fact that you're fasting. And I'll find that scripture and put it on the screen for you, and maybe some others about not telling anybody about it. It's best to keep quiet. Still on day 1 of what could be the 40 days and 40 nights. It's day 7 of my other fast that I was preparing for the big one with. But no, I think I can go straight into it this time. Okay, it's day 2 now and I feel fine. Yeah, I didn't eat last night and I haven't eaten today. It's 3:45 now and I think I am going to go all the way. If I tried to start a fast this big straight away, it would be very difficult, but because I prepared beforehand, I feel fine, so I'm going for it. I weighed myself earlier and I'm 84.4 kilograms. Now last year I was 100, okay, I got quite chunky, so I've lost a lot of weight since then, 15 kilograms, well over 15 kilograms, and I think I'm probably going to lose a lot more as well. Maybe I'll be down to like 75 or something. What I'll do now is go over some of the videos from my 2014 40 days and 40 night fast. Alright, it's day 11. Just got up. I was in the tent last night. Yeah, it was pretty cold as well. But yeah, just got up, got an energy drink, and went in the bath. I was trying to pray last night, but I was having a bit of trouble. Like I said, my head's not really there. But this morning, I was able to write a little prayer, which is good. Now I did say a few things this morning as well. It wasn't much, but yeah, I said a little prayer as well. Okay, I've got a bit of a problem. Now, as soon as I woke up, like I said, I wrote that little prayer, which was good. And then I started writing. But yeah, and the writing was good. I was surprised. I was like, wow, I've got it back. My head's really hurting now because I'm concentrating on it. It looks like I can't go as long as I used to when I was fueled, you know, eating. So I'm getting exhausted very easily, mentally. I've been doing it, what, 2.5 hours? And already I've come to a halt. Yeah. It doesn't help when you're trying to edit the book as well, because you're going over old work and you think, oh, this is rubbish, you know, and it kind of disheartens you slightly. And like I said the other day, yeah, that happened to me the other day. I was going over some old work and I suddenly felt empty inside. I might read John actually. I always read John if I need revival. And I'll take a little break from writing and then try and do some more in about an hour or so. One other thing I thought I'd mention quickly, I don't think I have yet. I'm surprised. Other fasts, I get that, you know, little sharp pains in my stomach sometimes. I haven't had that at all during this one. I don't know what the reason for that is. I guess I must have worked up to it very well, and I mean I've done many fasts before this. The longer I don't have that, the better, because as soon as that comes along, you feel yourself wasting away. Actually, what I might do instead is some web work. Yeah, update the website adamsministry.co.uk. I've got some videos I want to put on there, and that shouldn't be too difficult. Just uploading them, a bit of video editing. Yeah, well, it's easier than writing anyway. So, right, I'll tell you what it was. I just had, you know, a large amount of water, and I feel a lot better now. That's what it was. I mean, I was just drinking tea, coffee, what do you call it, energy drink this morning. Even though they're liquids, it's still not as good as drinking water. There you go. If you start feeling like I have, it's water that you need. Now, I'm thinking about cutting out the energy drinks. Well, at least one of them anyway, because I looked at it in the glass the other day. This one particular energy drink, and you can see like the sugar in it. There's loads in there. I was like, oh, I don't know. It's still liquid, but you know, it's a little bit too thick for my liking. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that one out. Now there's another one, and it's clear, you know. So I'll have that one. I don't put sugar in my tea, but I do with coffee because you know it's so bitter. I only put one in there. It's not too bad either. Well, you can't count that as food. One thing I am going to start on now is a pomegranate drink. Now, pomegranates, alright, they grow in Egypt and Israel, you know, out in the wilderness, right? You've got pomegranates, and get this, pomegranate is the #1 heart supplement, which I found very interesting. Alright, day 11 still. Well, it's 8:15 in the evening. I'm feeling great. Now, I wasn't earlier, but I did a bit of digging in the garden, and I had that pomegranate drink, and it just sorted me out big time. I mean, a lot of people might say, oh, you better not exercise, you know, because you're using up energy and so on. But it did help me. Just a bit of digging in the garden, you know, a couple of hours. But it was that drink that really did it. Yeah, it's a good drink. So yeah, I'll be taking that more often, I think. This is my second beer today. I've had black tea, coffees, English tea, an energy drink, water. Yeah, no pain in my head. I actually feel great. I feel full, in fact. And I had this, yeah, that was interesting. I just suddenly felt really relaxed and peaceful earlier. For the first time in a very long time. Because I've been trying to get the book done and I've had a lot of other things to deal with. But yeah, I don't know what it was. It was just a moment of tranquility, and yeah, my mind was at ease. So I think that also has helped me. Maybe it was a pomegranate. Yeah, good for your heart. It probably was. Yeah, interesting, very interesting.